Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. May Allah protect you and your family from this disease. My name is Habiba and I am doing job as a coordinator in Allied Abdul Aziz campus, Tokasu. Today I will briefly explain you the math summer task of class 4. Let's have a look on the first worksheet. Question number 1. Write the following number in words. There are some numbers given in the question. You have to solve this number and convert it into words. Take out your rough register and make a place value chart. Then place all the number in the correct column. Then read it. I have done first part for your understanding. You can take help from it. Question number 2. Write the following words into numbers. What you have to do, same, make a place value chart. Put all the digits that are given in the place value chart from right to left. You have to know the answer. You can solve the rest of the question same like this. I have done first part for your understanding. You can take help. Question number 3. Arrange in ascending order. As you all know that ascending order is from smaller to greater. What you have to do, compare each digit from left to right. Choose the smallest one by comparing each digit. Then you will come to know the answer. Arrange it in ascending order. I have done first part for your understanding. You can take help and do rest of the part same like this. Question number 4. Arrange in descending order from greater to smaller. Compare each digit from left to right. Choose the largest one. Then arrange in correct order. Look at the question 1, part A. Worksheet 2, question number 1. Write the following numbers in expand form. What you have to do, make a place value chart and write each column that how many digits are present in ones column and how many digits are present in tens column. Look at the graph that I have shown. Ones have 1 digit number, tens have 2 digit number, 100 have 3 digit number, 1000 has 4 digit number and 10,000 has 5 digit number, 100,000 has 6 digit number. Put all the digit from the correct column, then it will be converted it into expand form. I have done first part for your understanding. Look it carefully. Question number 2. Write into numbers given in expand form. What you have to do, make a place value chart and put all the digits in the correct column. Just pick the first digit. Don't write zeros. You will come to know that the answer is 800436, the first part. I have done first part for your understanding. Look it carefully. If there are some columns like 1000 and 10,000 is missing in the first part, then place zeros. Question number 3. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. You have learned about what comes after, what comes before and what comes between. So predecessor means you have to find out the number that comes before. I have done first part. The part A is 6340. You have to find out the predecessor means the before number. What you have to do, simply subtract -1 from the given number. You will come to know the answer. Question number 3. Write the successor of the following number. Successor means what comes after. You have to find out the next number. What you have to do, simply add 1 to the given number. You will come to know the answer. I have done first part. Worksheet 3, question number 1. Place the following numbers in Pakistani and international period. I have given Pakistani and international period. What you have to do, simply place all the digits from right to left. I have done first part for your understanding. There is a minor difference in these two periods. Question number 2. Write the following figures in appropriate spacing. The correct spacing according to the place value chart in international period is, after every 3 digits there is a space. What you have to do, make a place value chart in international way. Place all the digits, you will come to know the answer. For example, the first part is 9 million. You have to know about that million have 7-digit number. So start from the right side. There is 3 digit, then 1 space, then 3 digit, then 1 space. You have to solve the rest of the question same like this. Question number 3. Write the place value of underlined digit. Simply make a place value chart, put all the digits in the correct order. Then you will come to know the answer of the underlined digit, that the underlined digit is present in which column. For example, the first part, 8 is circled and 8 is present in the 10th thousand digits. So it means its worth is 80,000. You have to solve all the rest of the question same like this. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks using the symbols smaller, greater or equal by solving the sum. There are some simple addition, subtraction and multiplication question. Look at the question carefully in the blanks. Solve it, then you will come to know the answer that the number are equal or smaller or greater.